These two GMCs share many things, such as distinctive and rugged styling, their available trim levels and option packages, and even some of the interior styling, like the push-button style transmission selector, center stack and related controls, and a GMC-specific steering wheel.
But that's essentially where the obvious similarities end, for these are two different models that cater to two different buyers.
Both current iterations of Terrain and Acadia have been slightly downsized from their previous generation. For 2018, the Terrain lost around 5 inches in both wheelbase and overall length, putting it squarely in the compact crossover class alongside its twin, the Chevy Equinox, and foreign competitors such as the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. The larger Acadia was also downsized for the 2017 model year, losing 6.4 inches in wheelbase and 7.5 inches in overall length, while also shedding approximately 700 pounds. These changes put the current Acadia in the midsize class along the Kia Sorento, Mazda CX-9, and Ford Explorer, while its siblings, the Chevy Traverse and Buick Enclave, soldier on as larger entries in the same class. Terrains have a 5-passenger seating capacity, with 29.6 cubic feet behind the rear seat, more than doubling the 63.3 cubic feet of cargo space available when the 60/40 split seat is folded. The Acadia is available with 5 seats as well, but also offers a third-row seat, increasing the people-moving capacity to either 6 or 7, depending on whether the second row is equipped with buckets or a 3-person bench. Cargo space is a reasonable 12.8 cubic feet behind the split folding third row, more than tripling to 41.7 with it down, and topping out at 79 cubic feet with all seats stowed away. The most common engine for the Terrain is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 170 horsepower, but a 2-liter Turbo 4 is available on higher trims like the Denali. The Acadia typically comes with an available 3.6-liter V6. However, this SLE is equipped with the aforementioned 2-liter engine, which produces 230 horsepower. Both vehicles utilize a 9-speed transmission and come standard with front-wheel drive, with all-wheel drive optional, which both of these have.
Whether you're looking for a smaller vehicle for just you and the occasional friend or two, or a vehicle that can hold your whole family without taking up all the garage space, Russ Darrow Direct has you covered. We have many vehicles to choose from, such as the GMCs I just showed you, as well as many other vehicles like them. Plus, our inventory changes on a near daily basis. To view these vehicles, as well as the full list of our inventory, log on to russdarrowdirect.com. You can also contact our sales team at 920-731-1300 or stop by at your convenience and see everything for yourself.